Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the automotive world. Today, we've got something special for all you high-mileage car owners out there. If your vehicle has seen its fair share of miles on the road, you're in for a treat because we're diving into the details of the Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic motor oil, specifically the 5W-30 variant. So, stick around to find out why this is considered the best oil for high-mileage cars on the market. Now, let's talk about the Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic motor oil. If you have a car with over 75,000 miles, this oil is designed with your vehicle in mind, allowing you to go up to 10,000 miles between oil changes. That's right, it's engineered to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently for longer periods. The secret behind its exceptional performance lies in Mobil 1's signature triple action formula, which offers three crucial benefits: engine performance, protection, and cleanliness. Let's break down each of these benefits one by one. First up, engine performance. This Mobil 1 high-mileage oil meets ILSAC GF6 standards, which means it provides outstanding protection against low-speed pre-ignition and timing chain wear. That's essential for maintaining the health of your engine, especially as your car accumulates miles. Now, when it comes to engine protection, Mobil 1 has got you covered. It offers excellent internal engine heat protection, up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and impressive low-temperature protection down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. This means whether you're driving through the sweltering heat or enduring freezing winters, your engine will remain safeguarded. And last but not least, cleanliness and longevity. Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic motor oil works tirelessly to prevent damaging deposits and sludge buildup in your engine. This not only ensures a cleaner, smoother engine but also helps extend its overall lifespan. So there you have it, folks. The Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic motor oil, 5W-30, is truly a game-changer for those of us with high-mileage cars. With its triple-action formula, it delivers exceptional performance, top-notch protection, and keeps your engine running clean. Plus, it's designed to go the extra mile, allowing you to stretch those oil change intervals. Before we wrap up, remember that using the right oil is crucial for your high-mileage vehicle's health. And Mobil 1 has a proven track record as America's #1 selling synthetic motor oil brand at retail, trusted by car builders and experienced mechanics alike. That's a wrap for today's product review. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you've used Mobil 1 high-mileage full synthetic motor oil, share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly, and we'll see you on the road.